Guys, I want to show you this Halloween album that I put together. This was using, again, Carta Halloween Market line from this year, 2020. I just love this paper. I haven't done Halloween in a long time, but I couldn't resist putting together a little album with this stuff. So I'm just going to show you, do a quick walkthrough here of the album itself now that it's finished and decorated. And then you can click on the link below to see the tutorial, or if you're watching the tutorial video, then you'll see the instructions follow right after this clip. So let's just go through how I put this together. So there's some magnets holding this shut, so it opens up like that. So on this side, I tied some baker's twine around this, and this is a fold out. So there's lots of space for pictures here. So this is just fussy cut around one of the, actually no, this is a sticker, and then I just mounted it here. We have a little pocket we'll flip open over here for photos. And then I just left these blank because we're going to fill most of this with photos. And the Carta paper is so thick that sometimes it will make your album quite bulky. So that's also why I left some of the pages blank. These are just some of the stickers that came with the collection kit. I used one of those little pop, can't remember what they're called, but anyways, they're a little package of pop things that you can stick onto anything. This is also a sticker. I just covered the back with some baby powder just to take all the stickiness off, and then I mounted on here because I just thought that's so cute. Okay, so that's this section. Over here, like I usually just use paper, but I also love the different textures. So this is just some burlap ribbon that I added. Then in this middle section, this unties and it opens up. Then we have a flap here, another one here. Lots of space for pictures and journaling, a little bit of bling. And this folds open, and down here we have a waterfall that's closed with a magnet. And we just decorated each page. Again, I leave the opposite side blank because I'll put a photo there. So I just put in some little stickers that I can easily lift up and slide a picture underneath when I'm ready to put my pictures in. And then we end up with a little pocket here. Let's see if you can see that. So this is just fussy cut from one of the pieces of paper. And then I make things a bit glossy, but I don't know if the camera picks it up. But I use the glossy accents to do that, and I usually will do that on my pieces before I start decorating, obviously, and then when I'm ready, they're ready to go and dry. So this stuff is amazing. If you haven't used it before, it's very easy to use, just adds a little bit of pop. So we have two cards that fit into here. There's this one, just add a little string. Okay, I'll put that back together later. Okay, and then this part opens up and into its own sort of little folio section. So this is just blank piece for you to put your photos on, another place for photos, and then a nice a little waterfall here. So I'm going to give you some advice here for this waterfall. I have quite a few cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is wonderful because it's a lot of space, but if I had to do this again, because I'm using Carta and it's so thick, I probably would cut this down to 5 or 6 for the waterfall, which should still work out fine and look good. But anyway, at any rate, this all holds together. It is, there's a ton of space for everything, for lots of photos for the holidays. If you love Halloween or just the fall, I love this paper, lots of pumpkins. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.